Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Look what came in the mail today. I am super excited because it is super cold out there here in Illinois, and so this is sure to give me something to do while staying inside. So this is the January 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit, and here on the side it says Heartfelt Love Notes. So I have a feeling this is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day, and I am super excited. I can't wait for Valentine's Day. I really like that holiday because it's a great chance to share your love with everyone and let them know how important they are to you. So it looks like our little spot is Rich Razzleberry, which that's a little surprising. I was kind of expecting like a real red or a pink or something like that. So Rich Razzleberry is the ink pad. And the stamps, we have this cute little envelope with like X's and O's and hearts coming out of it. And then a sealed envelope with a little heart. It says, "Be mine, X's and O's from," in a dark heart, to, in a dark heart, "Love, Happy Valentine's Day, you make my heart happy," which I like that one, and "Sending hugs and kisses to you." So super cute stamps. Those are great to almost use as salutations at the end of any sort of card. You know, like little XOXO, and then you, ooh, this is cute, and then you sign your name. Look at this! I am loving that color combination of that hint of purple and pink with the black and white, and then I'm pretty sure there's gold in there too. Oh, ooh, it's like almost like a rose gold. Like, how fancy. I am super excited. So let's open this up and check it all out. So here we have a, we have a giant thing of Stampin' Dimensionals. And then it looks like we have Rich Razzleberry, and I think this is Flirty Flamingo enamel shapes, and there's like varying sizes. So there's larger ones down to smaller ones. And then we have two different sets here. So these are little pocket cards. So they open like they are like a full like pocket, but then just the top half opens. Ooh, look, that almost looks like a heart. I wonder if they did that on purpose. But that is so cute. And then this is like a little pocket. So you can then slide a card in there. And there's actually little pop-outs here. So I have a feeling ribbon or something might go there. So these are die cut. So there's actually like a little hole there. Do you see that? And it would then probably seal this closed. So, and these are, I mean, maybe that is gold, but I think with the black and the gold, it almost looks rose gold. Or maybe that's what they're calling the new champagne. I think the new champagne looks rose gold-ish. So there's a whole bunch of those. And then we have some striped ones that are exactly the same. So they're the same little pocket with the pink inside. And then there's the little die cut edge here too. And so that you can add your little ribbon. And then these are just black and white stripes, so there's no like gold foil on it or no hearts. So if you didn't want to use this for Valentine's Day, you could. Little craft envelopes. There's like 1,000,001 here. Probably like 18 or something. Whenever we get to the instructions, I'll let you know the full number. Then here is some white ribbon, and it's got that same rose gold looking edge, so it's got that like glittery look to it, or not really glitter, but shine. Here are little cards. I think these probably go inside. They're nice and cutely scalloped there on the top, and I'm pretty sure that's what we'll be stamping and putting our message on to go on the inside there. So super cute. And those are white on both the front and the back, so you can always decorate the front and right on the back. Then we also have some pink banners. These are actually stickers, so they're quite thick. And then they already have the adhesive on the back. So these are little banners. I don't really want to take one off, but you can see they sort of have like the inverted banner tip, or little banner like tips there on the end. And then here are two sheets of white labels that have that like rose gold edge to it. So more shine and bling. And then these are vellum sheets. So there's 4 hearts. The hearts are quite large. You can see like right there. Maybe I'll go ahead and pull these out. I don't think I'll be stamping on them, so I think it'll be okay to pull them out. So there's a whole bunch of hearts, and then there's also some of those banners, just like the pink ones, but in a different size. Super cute. And then of course here are some mini glue dots to use to put it all together. Of course there's always instructions in here. So, oh, how cute. Those like kind of the vellum actually backs the little greeting. Here, let me look. I'll let you guys look at it so that you can see like the little heart goes behind the greeting and the banners and stuff. So super, super cute. So it looks like there's 7 of each, so that makes a total of 14 of them. Oh wait, no, it says 16. Did I miscount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, and here's the 8th one. Okay, so I was counting 7 and 7, but here's the 8th one. So yeah, there are 16 total. You can do, you know, the heart ones for Valentine's Day. You could always save the other ones for another occasion, or to use, you know, throughout the year and things like that. So super, super cute. Of course, I'll be posting the completed pictures of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com. So you can check those out there. I'll probably be making these fairly soon so I can make sure to have all of my Valentine treats ready, and I like to package up all my Valentine candy before I eat it, because I definitely bought stuff that I like, and so I'm a little nervous to open it up, and then, you know, I don't want to eat all of it before Valentine's Day even gets here. So I hope to be working on these fairly soon. So I'll have those on my blog, hopefully within the next week or so. So you can check that out, laurastamppad.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new by clicking down in the corner. And then of course you can check out some of the other unboxing and reveals of the paper pumpkin kits over there. The other thing that I wanted to let you know is don't forget that you can get the prepaid subscription of Paper Pumpkin and earn celebration benefits. So that is super, super fun. Who doesn't like getting free stuff whenever they're ordering their fabulous craft supplies? So I'll leave details down below so that you can see the subscriptions that you can get, so you can enjoy Paper Pumpkin and get fabulous freebies during celebration. So check out all the details down there. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.